A journey through the world, exploring its wonders and diversity. Hello everyone, and welcome to this virtual journey through the world. From the vastness of the oceans to the highest peaks of the mountains, the world is full of wonders and diversity. Today, we will embark on a journey that will take us to some of the most amazing places on Earth and help us learn about the cultures and people that call these places home. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the world together. Oceans and marine life. Our journey begins in the deep blue oceans, home to some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. We will start by exploring the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world, and learn about the threats facing this delicate ecosystem. We will also visit the Maldives, known for its crystal clear waters and diverse marine life, and witness the beauty of the whale sharks, the gentle giants of the ocean. Next, we will move on to the mountains, where we will discover some of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth. We will take a trip to the Grand Canyon in the United States, one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, and marvel at the sheer size and beauty of this natural wonder. We will also visit Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, and learn about the challenges and risks involved in climbing this mighty mountain. Cultural diversity and heritage. Our journey would not be complete without exploring the rich cultural heritage of the world. We will visit the Taj Mahal in India, a symbol of love and one of the 7 wonders of the world. We will also take a trip to Machu Picchu in Peru, an ancient Inca citadel nestled high in the Andes Mountains, and learn about the culture and traditions of the Inca people. Cities and urban life. Finally, we will explore some of the world's most vibrant cities, home to millions of people from different backgrounds and cultures. We will visit Tokyo, the capital of Japan, and experience the hustle and bustle of this modern metropolis. We will also travel to New York City, the city that never sleeps, and witness the diversity and energy that make it one of the world's most exciting cities. Our journey through the world has come to an end, but the memories and experiences we have gained will last a lifetime. The world is full of wonders and diversity, and it's up to us to appreciate and protect it for future generations. Thank you for watching.